Gutierrez, and you're watching Roof Fabulous. Minsan naiinis yung makeup artist mo kasi ayaw nila maging tabingin yung kilay ko. Eh si Brentnita, hinihila-hila yung buhok kong ganyan. I'm so stressed! My God! My supplier is my mom for my jewelry. Siyempre yung gagawa ng gown ko for tonight is none other than Francis Gutierrez. So I'm very excited. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung gown ko.
For Rufa, ginamit ko mga silk material like silk butcher satin na ano siya, ginawa namin is corded. So yung bodice ni Rufa, medyo magitalyo siya. And the layers of skirts, ganun din. Ang color naman niya na ginamit is more on the salmon. Salmon kasi mas maganda kay Rufa ang vibrant colors eh.
See, this really happened. Wala po akong gown. Buti na lang, meron akong extra na Abel Bacudio na pusha gown. Hindi ko pa alam kung magkasya siya sa akin. Mamaya mag-take myself to the live. Late na kami! Diba? Alika, ano, mauna na kami, ha? Oo. So late! Oh my God, my hair!
Nandun yung balance to it. Kasi naman for Rufa, you don't need to, parang effortless si Rufa magdala ng damit eh. Diba? Ang kailangan lang i-highlight yung mga ano niya eh, special assets. Short, beautiful, curvy. So lahat yun dapat pinag ko in consideration in designing ko siya.
So what do you think of my evening gown? Finally, nakarating din siya. I'm so excited. We're here backstage. We're about to go on stage. Siyempre kasama ko si Boy Agunda. Sobrang na-miss ko. And of course, the gorgeous Tita Lorna Tolentino. Mamaya malalaman natin kung anong suot ng mga stars at kung anong suot ni Miss Lorna Tino. Nako, I wonder who's gonna win the female and male star of the night. Sino kaya? Sino bang bet nyo?
Male star of the night goes to Erico Rosales.
Echo, I love your outfit. What are you wearing tonight? Me too, what?
I love you too.
What are you wearing tonight? Kasi wala kang stylist, ano binili yung outfit mo. You want?
Stuff from Mint. Yeah, and I won.
What did you win?
Star of the night.
Star of the night.
Now for the female star of the night, the award goes to Miss Lorna Tolentino.
Hello! Ganito talagang paparazzi. Siyempre nandyan si Lawrence Luterio at inaayos na, tinatanggal na ang buhok at ang mga hairpins si Miss Lorna Tolentino. Congratulations, you won Star of the Night. Female Star of the Night. Who made this dress? Tita Pretty? Nag-enjoy ka naman tonight with me? Of course, as always. Di ba?
This is so weird.
Bye! Good night! I'm driving on my way home.
Oh no, nag-enjoy ba kayo? I hope so, kasi ako super nag-enjoy on this Roof Fabulous night. Well, anyway, I need my beauty suit now. Kaya Manong, andarin mo yung sasakyan kasi we have to go in 3, 2, 1. Go! Bye!